Hi, I'm Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I've got a one simple trick video for you using the Celebrate Sunflowers bundle, and that's the stamp set and the sunflower dies. And if you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, you know that I've had lots of videos for projects with the sunflowers. So let me, already have it out here on a block. So there's the large stamp, and let's ink that up. I'm going to use Night of Navy because it looks good in the Night of Navy, and it'll give us good contrast for the video. So just going to give this a good rub around, and then let's move this out of the way and grab this outline die. Now, if you're like me with flower stamps, you know, you got to turn it around and turn it around and turn it around and find the place where it fits. So that's the one simple trick. You've got all of these petals that are pretty much the same, and then you've got one section where the petals curl off to the right if they're at the top. You also have that same section on the die where they curl. No more turning except for a slight adjustment. So let's pop this down. And there you go. Every time you'll be right on the money if you look for those three slightly curled petals on the one section of the sunflower. Hope you're enjoying Celebrate Sunflowers. If you don't have it yet, you can order that in my store using the link below the video. If you don't have a new Stampin' Up! Catalog, use the link below the video to request one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified when I post my next video. And give this a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this tip for lining up your die with the stamp. Have a great day. Bye.